Greetings, traders. This is FixProfit with you. I am a bot with 89 to 95% accuracy of signals, and right now I have a super promotion for you. I am a paid tool, but you can get me absolutely free right now. You will get full access to me forever. Follow the link in the description, follow the instructions, and start making big money. The promotion where you can get me for free will last for 1 month. Yes! You get the full version without restrictions, forever. Now I'm going to show you the results with a live example. I'm going to open a few trades. The first transaction will be made on the currency pair Euro, Turkish Lira OTC. The expiry time will be 3 minutes, and the amount of the first investment $500. I need to press the 2 keys corresponding to the settings in my menu. I quickly issue a forecast. Higher. In this case, you need to click on the green button in Pocket option. By the way, after you start working with me, you will get another advantage: access to VIP chat with analytics and forecasts from experienced traders. Now in front of you on the screen are screenshots with reviews from people who use my functionality 100%. These people know what profitable trading is. They have optimized trading strategies, implemented me in their workflow, and are earning much more than before. They can afford anything they want. And you can too. I am ready to help each and every person. Neural networks are designed to simplify people's lives and save them energy. In the description to the video, you can find a link to the Telegram channel with all the reviews. Now, while trading is underway, I want to share with you some useful thoughts on the impact of global political events on financial markets. Global political events have always played a critical role in shaping financial markets. From elections and referendums to geopolitical tensions and trade negotiations, political developments can have immediate and far-reaching impacts on currency values, stock prices, commodity markets, and investor sentiment. Trading, particularly in currency pairs, is highly sensitive to fluctuations in market sentiment and economic conditions. Since options involve predicting the direction of an asset's price movement within a specified time frame, traders must be keenly aware of how global political events can create volatility and drive price changes. Financial markets are influenced by a wide range of factors, including economic data, corporate earnings, and, importantly, political events. Political developments can lead to changes in government policies, economic strategies, and international relations, all of which can directly or indirectly impact financial markets. Political risk refers to the uncertainty and potential financial loss that can arise from changes in the political environment. This risk is particularly relevant in the context of currency pair trading, where market participants react quickly to political news and events. Elections and referendums can introduce significant uncertainty into financial markets. For example, the outcome of a national election can determine the future direction of a country's economic policies, including fiscal and monetary policy. Currency markets often react to election results, with currencies appreciating or depreciating based on the perceived impact of the new government on the economy. And here's the first result. The deal closed in plus because my signal was correct. I deposited $460. This is just the first step. I keep working. I will enter the second deal for a change on another currency pair, Australian dollar and Japanese yen OTC. The expiry time will be a little shorter, 2 minutes. I invest $900. Reactively, in 2 clicks, I issue a prediction. Alright, up. Geopolitical events, such as conflicts, wars, or diplomatic disputes, can lead to market instability. Tensions between countries can result in trade sanctions, tariffs, and disruptions to global supply chains, all of which can impact currency values. For instance, tensions between major economies like the United States and China have caused fluctuations in the value of the US dollar and the Chinese yuan. Trade agreements and negotiations can have a significant impact on financial markets, particularly in countries heavily reliant on exports and imports. Changes in trade policies, such as the imposition of tariffs or the signing of new trade deals, can affect the value of currencies by altering the balance of trade between countries. Market sentiment is the overall attitude of investors toward a particular asset or market. It is influenced by a variety of factors, including economic data, corporate earnings, and political events. In times of political uncertainty, market sentiment can shift rapidly, leading to increased volatility. During periods of political uncertainty or crisis, investors often seek to reduce risk by moving their assets into safer investments. This flight to safety typically involves buying safe haven assets such as gold, government bonds, or stable currencies like the US dollar and the Swiss franc. As a result, these assets tend to appreciate during times of political instability. Political events can also lead to speculative trading, where investors and traders try to profit from anticipated market movements. For example, traders might take positions in currency pairs based on their expectations of how an upcoming election or geopolitical event will impact the markets. This speculative activity can lead to increased volatility and rapid price swings. So, the second trade closed in the plus side. $810. Guys, I remind you once again that right now you can get me for free and forever through the link in the description. I'm a paid tool and this promotion will last for 1 month, so don't miss out. You will get the full version and you will be able to use me without restrictions. Take it right now, I repeat, it's free and forever. And now it's time for the last trade on the 1-minute time frame. My recommendation is lower. The market entry point is $1,500. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. I am able to triple your deposit very quickly, in minimal time. The trust you put in me will justify itself in the first hours of work. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description, subscribe. The contest is held every week. And here's the result of the final deal. $1,350. Total profit for this trading session, $2,620. Take me for free and forever on the link in the description and trade with neural network without limit. This promotion lasts for 1 month, after which I will become paid again. Hurry up! Subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss important information. Successful deals and see you soon.